The breath of life that was breathed into man's nostrils in Genesis 2 verses 7 was actually the substance known as ether. Every physical substance or material object has an etheric counterpart. When you look at the elemental chart or the periodic table, it consists of elements with an atomic number. The atomic number is determined by the amount of protons an element has. For instance, hydrogen has the atomic number 1, which is the first point of physical existence. The etheric counterpart for hydrogen would be ether 1. Ether 2's counterpart would be helium because helium has an atomic number of 2. So on the opposite side of atomic gas, there would be etheric gas. Once this etheric gas slows up in vibration to become dense, it forms a cluster of quarks, which in turn forms protons, electrons, and neutrons to make up the atom. Now, gas is also a state of matter with a low density level compared to solid and liquid. In Tamaray or ancient Africa, it's known as Sekhem. In China, it's Chi. The esoteric Hindus calls it prana, and in Greek, it's known as ether or aether. This is the spark of life that's found in all forms of life. So when the breath of life was breathed into man's nostrils, which is oxygen, the substance or spark that gives vitality to oxygen is called E8 or ether 8. The physical counterpart of ether 8 would be O8 or oxygen. So ether would be the substance that gives vitality to its physical counterpart. On the etheric realm, we start from ether 1 onto 99 ethers, then it's reversed onto hydrogen or H1 to form the physical reality through a process of densification onto Einsteinium or ES99, which is the 99 element on the periodic table chart.